Welcome. This is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, December options are history in the VIX. They settled on the S&P 500's January opening print this morning. The final December print was 2084. 20.84, and that's based on the traded prices on all of the calls, all of the puts in the VIX options in the S&P 500 options on the January cycle. So there was a ton of volume this morning, January options, everybody positioning for the print. Print went up 2084, and that's just about where cash is right now. Now, the S&Ps are up on the day, and we've seen a big move down in the January future. Now, as we readjust our front month looking towards January, January has been trading at a big premium to December. It's still at a big premium to the cash, but it's come down into the $24 range. So the market is still looking for a big bump in volatility after the new year, just a little less than they were yesterday. The big trading in the VIX option pits continues to be upside January calls. People are still worried about the extreme upside, the return to the kind of volatility levels we saw after the fall of Lehman. So the 40 calls have been a big trader today. They're trading 35 cents. They've traded 30,000 times. The other thing we're seeing is sellers on the 22.5 puts. Those are trading about $1.30. We've had 50,000 of those go up near the bids. So a lot of people don't believe that they need much downside premium. They see the VIX at 20 right now, and they're selling those 22.5 puts for $1.30. A lot of belief in the term structure of the VIX and how elevated the January future is. People discounting the likelihood of us going much below 20 where we are now and actually betting that we will rise from here. By the way, I will not be doing the sonar for the next couple weeks. My partner Dominic Salvino will be away for the holidays, so we'll be having Chris call him in either from the floor here or over the phone line. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1, Option Monster.
Last thing that we're going to add is Floor the movie is going to be premiering in Chicago on January 15th of next year. It's a great look at some of the largest traders from the CME and what's happened to them since electronic trading came in. The way we see it, there's been a big turnover of traders down here, and the traders that are on the floor now are not the same type of traders that they were back in the day when open outcry was predominant. Right now, a lot of these traders that are in the pit in the S&P over in the bonds over here, they're hybrid traders. They're trading electronically against the open outcry market, and they're making money, and that's all we've got to say for this week.